Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't been here for like a month or two because I had to work on getting my associate's degree finished and I was so stressed out with all the finals and stuff, but now I'm back and I'm going to be having new videos at least every week, if not twice a week, and I'm super excited. So, I'm out of breath because I'm freezing and it's really cold outside. If you haven't noticed, it's snowing. There's snow everywhere. Anyways, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun winter box. It is a little bit late. Everybody's had theirs for probably like a month now. And I did have mine in a month ago, but it came damaged. But the company was super great and they did give me a whole new set of everything that was damaged. So now I'm going to be unboxing everything for you guys now. And I also kind of have to put this on our chair, so you're not going to see me taking stuff out of the box directly because it is snowing. And I only have one chair that doesn't have snow covered on it, so we're using that one. I am so out of breath. I am freezing. Can you see my breath? I don't know. You probably can't. Anyways, I need to get into this video. I haven't done this for a long time, and just like my communications teacher said, I do talk very fast, so I am trying to slow it down now. Because I noticed I'm probably getting out of breath from talking fast as well, but I have a hard time talking slower. So, here we go. One more little side comment before I start this. This box is the cutest box you've ever had. I love the colors, and my cat likes the box. She likes to sit on the box. So it does have a little bit of cat hair on the box, but it's alright. She's getting the box after this anyways. Okay, so it had some packaging stuff to it. So as always, there is a FabFitFun magazine that tells you all the details about the products, has little workout tips, recipes, all that kind of fun stuff, but I'm not going to go through this because if you get the FabFitFun box, you've seen this, and if you haven't, you'll be surprised. FabFitFun also usually includes a HelloFresh meal card, gift card, which this has 9 free meals. I'll be giving this away because I already signed up for HelloFresh and I've been using it for at least 2 years now, so I don't need this. But it's a great service, and definitely sign up for HelloFresh if you haven't. You can always go ahead and get a FabFitFun box as well, because then you'll go ahead and you'll get your free meals too. So this box seems to have included a very small sample piece of the purple mattress. I personally don't like this kind of material for a mattress, and I have a healthier, non-toxic alternative mattress, so I don't need this, but it is cool that you get to try it to see what it feels like. It is very comfy feeling, but a little too squishy in my opinion, but whatever floats your boat. So the first thing that catches my eye is this makeup eraser. I've actually met the company owners when I went to spa and beauty shows in Vegas and New York. I'm pretty sure, I don't know which one they were at, but I went to both of those. They were at one of them or both of them. I have tried their products before and I'm actually not a huge fan of them. I do know that everybody loves them, so everyone was super excited to have the makeup eraser in their box. But however, I use the Jane Iredale Magic Mitt and I find that it works great for me and it goes over your hands, super easy to wash, and I just like that. So I'm not going to be using this product, but I do recommend it to people who want something other than makeup wipes to take off their makeup. Makeup wipes are pretty bad for the environment since you're using one at least once a day. Right now I'm trying a makeup removing something. What is it? It's like a balm. I don't know. You put it on your eyes and you go ooh and your makeup comes off. So I'm using that for now, but I do recommend this if you want to try something other than makeup wipes. This is the Cuccio Yoga. It's that a long time, so that's why I said it like that. Calm Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I have actually used this before and I love it. It just makes me feel really relaxed. Epsom salt is a great detoxifier, relaxant agent for your bathtub. But anyways, I do wash my hands with this. I haven't used it on my body just because I use specific soap that I already really like. But I do recommend this because I have used it before. And it has lavender oil in it, which makes it extra relaxing. And the bottle's just really cute. Like, who wouldn't want this at their sink? So try this out. Next up, we have the Prep Rally, which I have a hard time saying. I want to say Pep Rally, but this is the Prep Rally, and it is by Drybar, which I am super excited about because I've never been to Drybar, but I've seen one in Vegas and like all the YouTubers do it, so like I would like to go to one. So I'm happy to have one of their products to try out. I haven't had this before. It is a Prime and Prep Detangler, and it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which if you use heat on your hair every day like I do, you definitely need this. So I'm super excited about this as well, and I'll let you guys know how I like all these products after I use it. Okay, so I actually got to pick this out on the FabFitFun website when you get to customize. I pay a little bit extra to be able to customize my box and get a little bit early access to it, and I was so excited to see this on here. This is the Frank Body. Well, I guess it's called the Original Coffee Scrub. It does say, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. So if you want to get naked in 1 minute, get this. Anyways, how to use. Get naked and get wet in the shower. Massage scrub over your entire body. reseal this waterproof bag, so it is resealable, so you don't have to find another container. And I think that is amazing because a lot of bath products, they get so horrible because you open it up and then the water just gets all in it and you have to throw it away. So this is resealable and waterproof. You can use it 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. I haven't used it yet, but I've heard a lot of great things about it. It is a coffee scrub, so it has the caffeine and it kind of makes your body just overall smoother because it has exfoliants in it, and it kind of wakes you up in the morning if you use it. I've had coffee bath bombs before and they wake me up a lot, so I do think this would be something to use in the morning instead of nighttime, unless you just want some nighttime coffee wake up woo. And it has coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt, which fights breakouts, bacteria, fades scars and marks, hydrates and improves appearance, and stimulates collagen and tones your skin. So that sounds amazing. I don't know if you could find any more amazing products, so try this out. So since it is snowing, I do have a few products that work amazing for the winter, and I'm so excited to show you. I don't know how to say this, but I'm gonna try. It says PJ Salvage, I think. There's a lot of dots and I'm not really sure. Yeah, PJ Salvage, live life cozy. And there is a little puppy on the tag, so that is extra cuteness. These are the size small, medium. You did get to customize which size you needed. I have a size 5 foot, so I definitely needed the small, medium ones. But anyways, I love gray. Gray is definitely one of my favorite colors other than this blue color I'm wearing. And I'm really excited about how cute these are. Like how cute, oh my goodness, they're so cute. Anyways, they have little fur inside, and I'm pretty sure it's faux fur because if it isn't, I won't be wearing these. So we're gonna hope that they're an eco-friendly company, which I'm sure they are. Anyways, cutest little slippers ever, and I'm really excited to wear these. They look so cute. Okay, speaking of eco-friendly and vegan companies, we have something perfect for that and perfect for the snow. It is the Unhide for Love, Not Fur blanket. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. It says no animals were harmed in the making of this faux, and you can put it in the wash to unleash the fluffy freshness. I am super excited because it is super soft, and I love blankets. Blankets are my favorite gift ever. I have so many blankets, and I can always use another one because it's always cold. Like right now it's snowing and I'm freezing, and I would love to be wrapped up in a blanket. Although this does keep me pretty warm. Anyways, this is really cute. My hair kind of looks like a scarf right now. I kind of digging it, so we're gonna keep it there. Anyways, it is a really soft cream color. I think it would go with anything, any furniture, or if you're gonna wear it out, it goes with the outfit. So this is super cute. I say I'm excited about like every product in this box because I'm super excited about everything, and I just can't think of other words because I've been out of school for like 2 weeks now. Oh my gosh, it's the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. I'm so excited. I say I'm excited about everything. I just can't stop. Anyways, I have never used their eyeshadow, but Beauty Bakery is a brand I tried out for their matte liquid lipstick like 2-3 years ago, and I fell in love with it. It's like the only company that actually stays on and looks good. It doesn't crease, it doesn't get dry, so I know that their product for eyeshadow is probably going to be amazing. And I forgot their owner's name, but I did look her up a while ago, like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, whatever, and she seems really cool. It is a Black woman owned company. I think that is amazing and awesome, so definitely support them. I'm trying to open it, and as you know, if you've watched any of my other opening videos, I'm not that great at it. Anyways, so the little palette packaging is the same as the palette itself. We're gonna open it up. There's probably a little thing, I don't want to slip it out. Oh, there isn't. Yeah, there is. Okay. Ooh, look at the little bananas. It's so cute. The colors are really nice as well, and they have all like dessert themed names, which I kind of expected with the palette name. But we have rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spice caramel, mango pudding, Nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. And they are all very fall colors, but I think they work for the summer too because you have the shimmery colors. You could probably use them as highlighters. You can use some of these as blush. It's very versatile, so definitely check this out as well. Last but certainly not least, we have the Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. At first I was like, it's another face mask, but then I realized it has like a ton of masks in it, and that's amazing. So we have a age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal plus eye mask. So there are so many masks in here, and I am also excited again to try all of these, and I think they'll work pretty good. The packaging is really cute. I've heard of Karuna before, but I've never used it. It says apply, throw, glow. I guess that means throw it away. I'm really not sure. Apply, throw, glow. Yeah, we're going with that. Anyways, that is all for my FabFitFun unboxing video for winter of 2019, even though it is already 2020, and I am super excited, once again, to open up at least, I guess, 4 more boxes in 2020 of FabFitFun because they're my favorite subscription box company and I'm not going to stop using them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a like and a comment down below, and share this video so people can watch me and watch me talk kind of fast in the snow because I'm in the snow and I'm freezing for you guys, so please just watch this video. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.